Good morning, kindergarten. This is Miss Preston with our math lesson for Thursday, May 21st. We have come such a long way with our distant learning. You guys have done a really great job in math, and I'm really proud of you for your hard work. All you have accomplished within math and all the other subjects. I have seen such great work, and I am very impressed and proud of all of our students for doing such a great job and working so hard. Today, we are going to learn and kind of review number bonds and number sentences, but this time with teen numbers. So we did number bonds and number sentences with numbers 1 through 10. Now we will look at number bonds and number sentences for our teen numbers. All right, so we will complete lesson 20 problem set today, and you will upload that to your portfolio page. So let's get started with our lesson. We're just going to review number bonds for a problem not in our teen numbers between 0 and 10. So you will follow along, and then you will complete this in your composition book, and then we'll review it. So I'm going to read for you the problem up here. Make sure you have your composition book and a pencil handy, and then we will get started with the problem. Okay, this problem says Sarah received 6 colored pencils and 4 regular pencils. So picture that in your head, what Sarah has. How many pencils did she receive? Receive means have, has. How many does she have now? Draw a picture and complete a number bond. Okay, so have your composition book open to a new page. Grab your pencil. And you will be drawing a picture about what this is. Sarah has 6 colored pencils and 4 regular pencils. So here I'm going to circle the numbers in case you need to know how many colored pencils. This word is colored. She has 6 colored pencils and 4 regular, normal pencils. How many did she receive? So you will be drawing a picture of what the pencils she has. 6 colored pencils and 4 regular pencils. When you're done with your picture, you are then going to complete a number bond. So go ahead right now, set up your number bond. Remember, our circle by itself will be the total, and then 2 circles for your parts. Go ahead, complete your number bonds, and figure out how many pencils did she have altogether. Go ahead, you can pause this video, come on back when you're all set, and we will go over the answer. Okay, guys, great job. So we need to figure out how many pencils Sarah had all together. We need to draw a picture and complete a number bond to show our problem. All right, so I'm going to show you the picture that I have for this problem. I have my 6 right here, my 6 colored pencils. I'm gonna put a square around my 6 colored pencils, and I'm gonna put a line under my 4 regular pencils. So I have 6 colored pencils here and my 4 regular pencils here. Give yourself a little woo woo if you had a similar picture to this. We want to have our 2 groups. One part has 6, the second part has 4. All right, I need to figure out how many pencils she had all together. Looking at our pictures, what can I do to figure out how many pencils she has all together? Oh, that's a good idea. Can we count up all of the pencils? That's a great idea. Let's count up all the pencils we have, and that will tell us how many we have all together. Okay, go ahead with me, and we're going to count all the pencils up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pencils. Did she have 10 pencils altogether? Yes, she had 6 colorful pencils and 4 regular pencils, and that equals a total of 10 pencils altogether. Okay, I'm going to put my numbers for our parts so we know our 2 parts. 4 regular pencils and 6 colorful pencils with a total of 10.
Remember that word total. Let's go hop over to our number bond. Total. I know my total will always go in what circle? Great job, this circle that's all by itself. So I know my total is 10. 10 will go in the circle that's all by itself. Okay, because I know 10 can be broken up into 4 and 6. These are my 2 parts from my problem. 4 regular pencils and 6 colorful pencils. When you add those up, you get a total of 10. 10 can be broken up into 4 and 6. Please say that with me. 10 can be broken up into 4 and 6. Great job, guys. We did a practice of our number bonds and creating a picture for our problem. We will be doing number bonds with teen numbers today. So let's hop on over to our first slide. I have a question here. This says up here, how can we show 13? I have my teen number 13. Can you remind me how we say 13 the say 10 way? Good job. 10, 3 is how we say 13 in the say 10 way. 10 and 3. So I know 13 can be broken up into 10 ones and 3 ones. Okay, guys, here I have some circles, some dots here and some dots here. These are my 2 parts. I need to complete my number bond and complete a number sentence. Let's review these 2 things. Just make sure we remember number bonds and number sentences. Okay, so this guy up here, this is called our number bond. Our total is broken up into our 2 parts. Down here, we have our number sentence. Say that with me. Number sentence. A number sentence has 2 parts that you are adding up together. Today, we'll be using this sign. Can you remind me what the name of the sign is? An addition sign, a plus sign for addition. 2 parts added together equals, remember this is our equals sign, equals our total. Okay, so that's how we will show 13 today with our number bond and our number sentence. All right, so let's start by completing our number bond. I have my 2 parts, but I need to know those numbers to get to my teen number up here. So what do we think we should do first? What is our first step? Good, I need to count up each of these parts to see the number for part 1 and part 2. So let's go ahead and count the number of circles for part 1. Okay, I have 1 black dot. Who remembers why I have 1 black dot to help count my number path? Good, because I need to know where to start. When I go in my number path, if I put a different color, that will tell me where I started and where I need to stop. Okay, so we will be counting our number path in a circular configuration as we are counting in a circle. Okay, go ahead and count with me how many dots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 circles in this first part. Okay, let's go ahead and count our second part. How many do we have in this part? Good, we have 3. We can say 3 without even counting them, but let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, who can tell me what my 2 parts are in my number bond? 10, 3. Oh, 10, 3. Where did I hear that before? Where does that come from? Our say 10 way. We know 13 in our say 10 way is 10 and 3. All right, guys, so I know if 10 and 3, what number is going to go here? What number will be my total? 13. Great job. Because I know 13 is decomposed. That means broken up into 10 ones. These are all ones. And 3 ones. 1, 1, 1. 13 is broken up into 10 and 3. Please repeat that with me. 13 is broken up into 10 and 3. Great job, guys. All right, now I need to hop on down to my number sentence. I have this first part here. Can you shout out the number that will go in this first part right here? 10. Great job, because 10 was my first part in my number bond. All right, 10 plus, what number will go next? 3. Why 3? Why not 13? Why am I not doing 10 plus 13? Good, because 3 is my second part. I know 13 is my total because it's in the circle that's all by itself. Okay, I have 10 plus 3 equals, say that part with me. 10 plus 3 equals, okay, what does 10 plus 3 equal? 13. 13 is our total. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Say that with me. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Great job, guys. Give yourself a big pat on the back. That was so good. You guys, we just completed a number bond and a number sentence for the teen number 13. So let's go ahead on over and we're going to do some practice problems together before you do your number or your lesson 20 problem set on your own. All right, I have 3 different problems. We're going to go through and complete the number bond and the number sentence for each. If you see, each of them are a little different. So keep in mind the differences you see and the similarities, because you will see a problem like this, each of these, in your problem set today. Okay, our first problem right here. What is our number we have in our total spot? 15. That is our number 15. And how do we say that in the say 10 way? 10, 5. So if I know 15, when you say it in the say 10 way, is 10, 5, that just gives me my 2 parts. So 15, I know 15 can be broken up into what? 10 and 5. Let's fix that a little bit. 10 and 5. So if you need to figure out what your teen numbers decompose, break up into, just say your number in the say 10 way, and that will tell you how that teen number can be broken up. 10 ones and 5 ones. So 15 is broken up into 10 and 5. All right, I'm going to go ahead and complete with the number sentence. This first part, what will I have here? 10, because 10 is my first part. 10 plus 5, good job, equals a total of 15. Great job. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Say that with me. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Great job, guys. We just completed 15, our number bond and number sentence. All right, this one's a little different. I don't have my total filled out yet. I have my 2 parts. So if I can say, let's say this in the say 10 way, 10, 7. What teen number